how to make PS5 download faster. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can make PS5 download faster, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to make PS5 download faster, there are a couple of many things that you have to keep in mind. First thing is, of course, make sure that you only download one at a time. So if you're downloading a specific game, you can just hit the options button and then you can just try to close that game. After that, you can just come to settings and then just go to network. Now by default, our PS5 only connects to 2.4 GHz networks. So where is our 5 GHz? So if your internet connection also has 5 GHz and then you want to connect that, you can just hit the options button from here and then just select Wi-Fi frequency bands and then select this to 5 GHz. And then you'll be able to see a list of 5 GHz enabled networks over here, so that you can go ahead and then connect to them. Once you go ahead and select a 5 GHz network, you should be able to go ahead and then connect to them automatically. Now if that doesn't work, you can just try to use a LAN cable instead, because that is the easiest and the fastest way you can do anything and get the fastest internet connection possible. So once you've done this, you can just come to this option known as setup manually. Once you select setup manually, you can select use a LAN cable, and over here you can just click on the done option. Make sure that you're using a LAN cable in order to do this. So hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.